Number 300 is a 2004 Pierce Dash aerial platform truck, fire truck. This unit caught on fire. As you can see, the whole cabin side has been burnt, the windows shattered, the driver's side front tire destroyed. The platform looks okay, the ladder portion looks good. Everything from the cab back looks okay. Most of the damage was in the front. I'll show you. As you can see, this is a 100-foot platform aerial that has, you see that nozzle right there? That nozzle is very expensive, by the way. So the truck has been considered a total loss, and it does have a clear title, but I don't think it's worth fixing. I think it's good for parts, taking out the engine and see what you can save. As you can see, the cab is totally burnt. The seats, everything. Wires, everything is burnt in there. So the rest looks good. The ladder platform looks good. It's called the Pierce Aerial. The tires look good in the back. Got the hose reels. Roll-up doors look good, but the platform, those hydraulic cylinders are good. This is a beast of a truck, or it was. The gauges look good. Alright, but this is the part that caught on fire over here. From here forward, the damage is pretty bad. I can't tell you if the engine, let me see if I can see it. I'm sure the chassis looks like that all caught on fire there. Yeah, I'm sure maybe the engine, maybe the fire started in the engine. So, let me show you the inside. Really bad. Well, this is really good for scrap metal. These trucks are aluminum. So this one has a GVW of 73,500 pounds. Remember, regardless, if you're a private individual or a company or whatever, a title transfer is a must. Okay, and if you're going to scrap it for scrap metal or whatever you're going to do, also a certificate of destruction, you're going to need it. You're going to pull it at the DMV. All right, good luck.